a few choice words in traffic. Will that expletive fest really make you feel better? Will punching a wall really calm you down? The answer is no. Sorry, but recent studies have shown that angry reactions are pretty harmful to your physical health. A Yale University study found that people with anger management issues tend to get sick more often. Their anger actually weakens their immune system.
Probleem, kui tee on katki.
Tallinna teed on tõesti heas korras, teil on sellest täiesti õigus.
Minu auto 2 korda on katki.
Ai, mis?
2 korda, praegu kõik, mine läheb mekaanik, tema räägib 500 eurot. Ja mine läheb paremale vasakule.
Ei tea neid kõige auke.
Praegusel hetkel ilma turvavööta, sellepärast peeti kinni.
Mis?
Turvavööd peale olid?
Ja nii on, nagu elu käib. Nii on.